the 33.
Yeah.
Charge and you fucking open it, the screen can go through concrete.
What?
Yeah. Where'd that little flashlight go?
Yeah, that AK.
I was on my hat. What's he shooting?
The 30-30. That shit is fucking powerful, dude.
How bad is it out there?
It's pretty shitty out. Yo, this is Diggs at the cabin. We got SKR in the building. Live feed coming at you. Lights, camera, action.
A little better when I can see. How's that?
Big ass wood stove. Big ass wood stove. Mike fixing. Looks like he's making out with the gun. Shit. He's AK. Yeah, boy.
Like an eighth of an inch further down.
Should I keep this open or put it on the rack?